In a serene small town, a woman named Nora discovered the healing qualities of acoustic guitar melodies. After incorporating deep breathing while listening to gentle strumming, she found herself freely releasing stress. Nora's story transformed her daily routine, showing the power of focused breathing paired with soothing sounds. As she imagined lush forests and calm oceans during her sessions, her anxiety diminished, leading to a profound personal growth. This soothing practice became her sanctuary, illuminating the path to inner peace through the simplicity of acoustic sounds. Each strum not only calms but also heals, proving that the right music can guide one to tranquility, one gentle note at a time.